Hello students, today's video is based on the topic Nouns, Possessive Case. This chapter is not given in your English language book The Maturing Seed, but I think this chapter is important to you when you write any paragraph or sentence. I saw many students are confused between two signs, comma and apostrophe. Today in this video, I will tell you where to use that apostrophe sign and what are the rules of using this sign that we will discuss in this video. Let's start. Here we have three pictures and three sentences are written above these pictures. First is, this is the pen of Adarsh. Next, this is the bag of Rita. And Bruno is the dog of Vihan. All these sentences A, B and C are said to be in the possessive case. A noun or a pronoun is said to be in the possessive case when it shows a possession. What is possession? When you are the owner of something, that is possession. It means this thing is mine. When you are the owner of anything, that is possession. So, sentence A shows that the pen belongs to Adarsh. That is, Adarsh is the owner of the pen. Sentence B shows that the bag belongs to Rita. That is, Rita is the owner of the bag. And sentence C shows that the dog Bruno belongs to Vihan. That is, Vihan is the owner of the dog. Now there are some rules that you can use when you have to use apostrophe in any sentence or in any paragraph. Just look at these points. Formation of possessive case. The possessive case of a noun in the singular number when the thing is only one. Singular number is formed by addition of apostrophe and s. Example, Sunil's. Sunil apostrophe s. Here apostrophe show the possession, the ownership, like Sunil ka. If there is no apostrophe and it is written Sunil's, then it is plural of Sunil, means many Sunil, many persons whose names are Sunil. But here apostrophe shows that Sunil is the owner of anything, right? Sunil's, Sunil apostrophe s. Similarly, girl, girl apostrophe s, girls. The boy's pen, boy apostrophe pen means the pen of the boy. The farmer's hut means the farmer's. Farmer apostrophe s shows the ownership of the farmer, means the hut of the farmer. The possessive case of plural nouns ending in s is formed simple by adding the apostrophe after them, as cats. Cats is written in plural form. So, when you have to use apostrophe in the case of plural noun, what do you have to do? You have to write cats, plural noun, and then use apostrophe. Like boys, B-O-Y-S, boys, then use apostrophe. Third rule we have, if the plural does not end in s. There are many plural nouns rules where you do not change by adding s or es, like foot, feet, tooth, teeth, woman, women, man, men. There are many certain rules. Now see, if the plural does not end in s, both the apostrophe and s are added, as men, men is plural form, men apostrophe s. Men's socks means the socks of the men. Oxen, oxen apostrophe s, women apostrophe s. And at last we have, as a general rule, inanimate objects are not put into possessive case. So it is wrong to say the table's leg. It means we will not add any apostrophe rule to any inanimate object, means non-living thing. Like table's leg is wrong, we may say the leg of the table. You will understand with this exercise. Here write down the possessive forms of the following. One is done for you. The book of Peter. If we have to rewrite it after using apostrophe, how will you write Peter's book? Peter apostrophe book. It means the owner of book is Peter. Next, the den of the lion. It means lion's den. Means lion is the owner of that den. Lion apostrophe s, den. The garden of the king means king's garden. King apostrophe s, garden. The horns of oxen. I told you there is one rule: if the plural does not end in s, both the apostrophe and s are added, as like oxen apostrophe s. So we will write oxen apostrophe s, horns, oxen's horns. Next, the socks of men. How will you write? Men is a plural form, so men, men apostrophe s, socks. It means the owner of the socks are men. The desk of the boy was locked. How will we write? The boy apostrophe s, desk was locked. The boy's desk was locked. Next, the hat of Raju was lost. How will we write? Raju apostrophe s, Raju's hat was lost. It means the hat of Raju. The song of children was sweet. Children's song was sweet. How will we write? Children apostrophe s, song was sweet. The roar of the lion was dreadful. How will we write? The lion's roar was dreadful. Means the lion apostrophe s, roar was dreadful. And at last, the rays of the sun bathe our body. So how will we write it? The sun's rays means the sun apostrophe s, rays bathe our body. I have not written the answers intentionally because I just want you people to write the answers and send that assignment in your Google Classroom account. Okay, just listen the audio carefully, watch this video again and just do the exercise and send it to me.